Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and today we'll be doing a complete wash and go and product review on Pattern Beauty products. So this kit is called the Mini Stylers Kit and it comes with everything that I need to do my wash and go today. So I'll be using the curl gel, the strong hold gel, the styling cream, and the hydrating mist today. And we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to start off with the styling cream and I'm going to open it up for the very first time and see what this looks like. So this is the cream. Just look at how thick it is. It is fairly thick, a little thicker than I thought it would be, but it still feels super creamy and it feels like it will be hydrating as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a fair amount of it and apply it to one side of my head. So I'm just going to take it, rub it into my hands and apply it on my hair. So I have already washed my hair and my hair is still very wet. So I didn't dry it at all. It has dried a little bit since I got the camera set up, but it is still really, really wet. So as I'm applying the product, it feels kind of strange going in. It feels less like a styling cream and feels more of like the feel that I get when I'm applying a gel to my hair. So it feels like it's kind of like sitting on top, and it actually looks like it's sitting on top too. But we'll see, maybe it just needs some time to soak into the hair. So I have gone back in twice already just to grab some more and to make sure all of my hair is covered with the product. And it does feel like it is a little thick as well, but I do see some definition, so maybe we'll get some good results with this. And I have seen a bunch of mixed reviews on this product, and actually majority of the products that I'll be trying today. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to turn out. But it really doesn't feel like it's soaking into my hair. Like if you can even see it right here, it just kind of looks like it's sitting on top. And this is kind of the same feel that I got from I forget what they're called. It's like Gabrielle Union's products, which I reviewed a long time ago. But I just keep rubbing it in because it just doesn't feel like it's really penetrating my hair. But I'll just go ahead and move on to the next side. Yeah, this doesn't feel too great. I don't know if I'm really loving how this feels so far. Like it just doesn't give me that creamy, hydrating feel. That's okay, we'll just hurry up and finish this side and then we'll move on to the gel. So we're already like halfway done here. But for the gel, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in sections. I just like to apply the cream in two sections, two larger sections, because it's usually easier to put in and it usually does not go in this way when I'm using other creams. So maybe you want to use smaller sections. I don't know what would help with this product, but I am not in love with how it feels right now. All right, but I'll let you all decide on the look of the hair. So it does look like I have some good definition. So just go ahead and show you all what it looks like now that I have my hair covered in the product. And I did use quite a bit of the product, even though it was thick. So you can see how much I used there. And I ended up using a little bit more than I initially thought I would, just because it didn't feel like it was penetrating my hair, so I just kept adding more to it. So hopefully I didn't add too much. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the curl gel. And you want to use the curl gel versus the strong hold gel because this is the gel that is meant for wash and goes. The other one will probably slick your hair down too much and be way too heavy. So we'll go ahead and see what this one is looking like. And you can see it does have a bit of a white tint to it. So it does look like it will be a little bit more on the hydrating side. And then I just want to see here if it says whether it's strong hold or not. And it doesn't say like the level of hold on here. So I'm going to first go in with about this amount and hope that that is enough and not too heavy on my hair. Ooh, but as I'm like rubbing it together in my hands, it does feel like it has very good slip too. And it does feel more like it's on the hydrating side. So feeling pretty good about that. And then as I'm adding it to my hair with the curl cream or the styling cream, it just still has that weird feeling like it's just sitting on top of my hair. So I don't know, I'm just going to do what I normally do, which is smooth it in and then rake it through my hair and hope for the best. And then I am going to scrunch it up a bit. And it still even looks like both products are just sitting there on my hair. So I don't know. And one thing that I do also want to mention is that if you look this product up on Think Dirty, which I'll put here on the screen, it does show as a 10, which completely scared me because I do not like putting toxic products on my hair and skin. But after I looked into their ingredients, the one ingredient here that is actually showing as a 10 is no longer in the product. So I did a search just to make sure that it wasn't on there anymore or in there anymore. And I did not see it on the ingredients list. So it looks like they took care of that. So hopefully there's nothing else yucky in the product. And you will see also that the fragrance shows up as an 8, but that's because they don't disclose what's in their fragrance. So you're always taking a chance there, but I normally just ignore that, or I will contact the brand and ask them if they use anything that may be toxic or anything that may show up as red on Think Dirty. And they're usually pretty transparent, they'll at least give an answer, I'll say that. So I haven't tried that with Pattern, but I'm sure if you reach out to them, they'll be able to give you an answer on that as well. All right, so after doing the one side, I don't know, I just don't like the glossiness and the feel of my hair. Again, it could look totally different once it dries, so I am going to wait until the end to make a decision as to whether I like this product or not. But although it has that like glossy look, it's not like a good shine, and then it also just doesn't feel like it's as moisturizing as the glossy look may make it seem. So I don't know, I'm kind of skeptical about that. But I'll go ahead and finish the other side off camera, and then I'll show you all what my hair looks like, and then I'll pop on tomorrow to show you all the hydrating mist. So we'll go ahead and get this finished up, and I'll slick my edges with the strong hold gel, and then I'll be back on tomorrow to show you the rest of the review. Okay, so I applied the product to my entire head now, and this is what it is looking like. So there is a bit of definition kicking in, but it does still have like a dry look to it. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but it definitely did have a dry look, especially at the top and at the ends. So I'm really worried that it will be dry by tomorrow, which is probably why they do include a hydrating mist. I mean, I typically do not refresh my curls every day, so we'll just have to see, and then I'll see if this hydrating mist does help out. But we'll go ahead and slick my edges. So I pulled out the Stronghold gel, and I will tell you all now that I have actually used this product before. So this is what it looks like. And when they say Stronghold, it is really strong. So I am just going to take a small amount of it on my brush, and I'm going to slick the edges down here. Now, I typically would not use this product. I just wanted to show you all how well it slicks, but the reason that I don't use it is because it usually makes my hair pretty flaky within a day. So I just wanted to show you all what it looks like, but just keep in mind that depending on what you use it with, it does get pretty flaky. So we'll see if it gets flaky when using other pattern products with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry, and I'll pop back on to show you all what it looks like dry. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so I'm not loving how my hair turned out. It's completely dry now, and I got great volume, but everything else is lacking. The moisture is lacking. The hold from the gel is lacking. I just don't think that my hair turned out anywhere near how I thought it would. So the definition, like I thought I would have more definition, and you can even see like the ends here look pretty dry. Hopefully you can tell on camera, but I definitely could tell when I looked in the mirror that the ends just looked pretty dry, and they also feel pretty dry too. So again, it just feels like kind of like an oily feel on my hair, and like the product is just sitting on it. But I would definitely say the gel is a light hold gel because I didn't get any cast. Like I haven't scrunched my hair or anything. I haven't applied oil to it. And this is what it looks like even after applying the styling cream and a gel to my hair. So I will definitely let you all decide what you think about the results and how they actually look. But as far as feel goes, I am not loving how my hair feels. So I will still leave this on my hair overnight so that I can wake up and show you all the hydrating mist. Hopefully that helps my hair out a little bit. And then we'll also check to see if there are any flakes with the Stronghold gel, because again, it is looking really good. Like it slicks really, really well. I just worry about the itching and the flaking. So it did make my hair or my scalp itch a little bit as well, but it could just be the combination of products that I use. So we'll check back in tomorrow, and I'll let you all know how it goes. All right, everyone, I just woke up and took my scarf off, and my hair is still feeling pretty dry, especially at the ends. But really quickly, just want to show you all that my hair did stay slicked, and I didn't see any flakes here. So it looks like if you're using the Stronghold gel with other pattern products, then it works pretty well. And I'm not itchy, so that's a good sign. So now I'm just gonna go in with the hydrating mist to see if we can do anything with this hair to at least make it feel a little more moisturized, because that's what this is supposed to be for. It says when you have worn your wash and go for a day or two, this helps to bring back moisture, and I'm hoping to also get a little bit more definition as well. So I don't want to touch it too much as I am spraying it, other than to like finger curl some of the curls that lost definition, which in this case are a lot of them. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm spraying a lot on my hair, and then I'll finger curl a little bit in the front and then let this dry, and I'll be back to show you if it did anything for my hair. So it definitely does feel really good in the hair. It feels more like kind of like a leave-in conditioner or something like that. So I don't know, I'm hopeful that maybe it will make my hair look a little better. So I'm just gonna do this to a few in the front on camera just so you can see what I'm doing. Just taking my finger and twisting the curls. And then I will be back on. I'll just go through my hair and see what else I need to finger curl, and then I'll be back on to show you all what it looks like once it dries a little bit. So be right back. All right, so to my surprise, I actually like the hydrating mist. I think it added some more definition to my hair. It made it feel and look a little bit more hydrated. So I think this is a product worth trying for sure. This is what it looks like. It's very liquid and lightweight. So hopefully you can see what it looks like on camera there. But definitely a lightweight product to just spray on your hair and give a quick refresh if you do need to add some moisture to your hair in between wash days. So this product and then the Strong Hold Gel are the two products that worked best for me today. The other products I did not really care for, but everyone's hair is different. I just wanted to show you all how it worked on my hair. So definitely encourage you all to try it on your own if you want to. If you do, I have all of the links in the description box. Please let me know what you all thought of the video and how my hair turned out in the comments. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.